Welcome to Seedling Squad, your go-to place for all things plant and gardening. Whether you're a beginner, just starting out, or a seasoned green thumb, we've got tips, tricks, and tutorials for everyone. Hi, I'm Monica, and I'm here to help you grow your gardening skills and turn your space into a green paradise. From seed to harvest, let's embark on this gardening journey together. In today's video, we will be featuring birth month flowers. Each month of the year has a flower that perfectly captures the spirit of people born during that time. We'll explore what makes each flower special, plus we'll give you simple, useful plant facts for each one so you can grow or gift them with confidence. Ready to meet your birth flower? Let's jump right in! Just so you know, there are direct links to all the related products in the description below. If you want a wide range of gardening facts, tips, and tricks, be sure to visit our website at seedlingsquad.com. So let's get started. January, Carnation. Carnations are the flowers of January, symbolizing love, admiration, and distinction. Their ruffled petals and wide range of colors make them stand out even in the coldest months. Traditionally, carnations have been associated with deep affection, making them the perfect flower to represent the warmth we need during winter. Carnations are ideal for those who value loyalty and strong family bonds. They're great gifts for parents, mentors, and lifelong friends, or anyone you admire and respect. To care for carnations, plant them in a sunny spot with well-draining soil. Keep the soil moderately moist and remove any dead flowers to encourage new blooms throughout the season. February, Violet. Violets, the flower for February, symbolize faithfulness, wisdom, and modesty. Their small, delicate blooms can survive the chill of late winter, making them a perfect match for the resilient spirits born in February. These are wonderful for those who are gentle yet strong, with a quiet wisdom about them. Violets also make sweet gifts for friends or family members who love understated beauty. Caring for violets is simple. They prefer partial shade and rich, moist soil. Water them regularly, but avoid soggy conditions. Mulching around the base helps retain moisture. March, Daffodil. Daffodils are the birth flower of March, representing rebirth and new beginnings. Their sunny yellow blooms are among the first signs that winter is over, filling gardens with hope and joy. March-born individuals tend to be optimistic and forward-looking, making daffodils a fitting tribute. They're also great for celebrating new life events like births, new jobs, or fresh starts. To grow daffodils, plant the bulbs in fall in a spot that gets full sun or light shade. They like fertile, well-drained soil. Water them well after planting and again during dry spells in spring. April, Daisy. For April, the flower is the daisy, a timeless symbol of innocence and purity. Daisies are cheerful, resilient flowers that brighten up any garden with their simple beauty. People born in April often embody a youthful spirit and an optimistic outlook, just like daisies. These flowers make perfect gifts for young hearts and free spirits. Daisies thrive in full sun and well-draining soil. They are fairly low maintenance. Just water them during dry periods and trim off dead blooms to keep the plants looking fresh and tidy. May, Lily of the Valley. Lily of the Valley graces the month of May with its sweet fragrance and delicate, bell-shaped white flowers. This plant symbolizes humility, sweetness, and a return to happiness. It's a lovely choice for someone who brings joy quietly but profoundly into the lives of others. Lily of the Valley is often used in bridal bouquets, making it a symbol of love and purity. This plant prefers partial to full shade and consistently moist, rich soil. It's great for shaded gardens and needs little attention once established, apart from regular watering. June, Rose. The rose is June's flower, the ultimate symbol of love, passion, and beauty. Available in countless varieties and colors, roses have been adored for centuries across cultures. June-born individuals are often deeply passionate and expressive, qualities mirrored in the stunning variety of roses. Whether as a romantic gesture or a sign of deep friendship, roses are always a good choice. To care for roses, plant them in a sunny spot with well-draining soil, feed them regularly with rose fertilizer, and prune them in early spring to maintain healthy, vibrant plants. July, Larkspur. Larkspur represents positivity, dignity, and strong bonds of love, a perfect fit for the bright, energetic month of July. Its tall spikes of colorful flowers make a striking addition to any garden. This flower suits those who are lively, ambitious, and deeply loyal. Larkspur's dramatic blooms make it a great centerpiece in summer bouquets and garden beds. Larkspur grows best in full sun, with rich, well-drained soil. Taller varieties may need staking to prevent them from falling over in strong winds. August, Gladiolus. August's flower, the Gladiolus, symbolizes strength of character, honor, and remembrance. Known for its tall, sword-like stems lined with vibrant flowers, the Gladiolus adds drama to any garden. It's perfect for those who stand tall in the face of challenges, determined, proud, and courageous. Gladiolus blooms also make fantastic statement pieces for summer arrangements. To care for Gladiolus, plant the corms in sunny spots with sandy, well-draining soil. For continuous blooms, plant new corms every 2 weeks during the planting season. September, Aster. Asters bring color and cheer to September gardens, representing love, wisdom, and valor. Their star-shaped blooms light up the early fall, offering a bright contrast as other flowers fade. Ideal for those who are wise, courageous, and nurturing, asters are loved by pollinators too, making them an eco-friendly choice. Asters thrive in full sun and loamy, well-drained soil. Pinch back young plants in early summer to encourage bushier growth and more blooms in fall. October, Marigold. Marigolds, October's birth flower, symbolize passion, creativity, and warmth. Their vibrant orange and yellow blooms reflect the fiery colors of autumn leaves. This flower is great for lively, imaginative individuals who bring light and energy wherever they go. Marigolds are also known for their pest-repelling properties, making them garden heroes. Plant marigolds in full sun and well-draining soil. They're easy to care for. Just remove spent blooms to keep them flowering right up until the frost. November, Chrysanthemum. Chrysanthemums, or mums, the flowers of November, represent loyalty, longevity, and joy. Their vibrant blooms brighten up gardens just as the days grow shorter. Perfect for those who are dependable, thoughtful, and lively, mums are a late-season favorite for adding color to the landscape. Mums grow best in full sun and rich, well-draining soil. Pinch back stems during the growing season to encourage a bushier plant with more flowers. December, Narcissus. December's birth flower, the Narcissus, stands for hope, rebirth, and renewal. Whether in gardens or as indoor paperwhites, Narcissus flowers bring joy during the darkest days of winter. This flower suits those who are optimistic and hopeful even in tough times, making it a wonderful symbol for year-end reflection and new beginnings. Narcissus grows best in full sun or partial shade. Plant the bulbs in fall for a bright early spring show and keep the soil well drained to prevent rot. Thanks for joining us on this countdown of birth month flowers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening, Seedling Squad!